Hey guys, this is Eric with Simple Marketing. Just giving you a heads up about WP Image app, which launches in about 7 hours from now. Just recording a video to kind of show you what it is and kind of offer you some bonuses that are kind of unique to by purchasing WP Image app through my link. I'll give you a quick overview of my bonuses. That could be why you could be sort of hunting around to see who's giving you the most relevant or best bonus package. I'll give you Outsourcing Buddy, which is about 30 or 31 tutorials to get you kind of up and running with putting together SEO money sites. Also give you a P1 Media Creator, which will really optimize your images for Facebook's Open Graph, which is really important when your pages get shared. You can also generate ads specifically for your Facebook ads when you set out to do your campaigns, and you need your images to fit the dimensions correctly. P1 Media Creator can actually create those images for you. Third one is a Traffic xRay plugin and xRaySense theme. If you do CPA offers or try to make money with AdSense, this is a must-have. Also giving you WP Pinboard Theme, another WordPress theme. It's great for your money sites. Mobile responsive. It's really good. So last one is WP Traffic Magnet, which will distribute your content to 2.0 sites and bookmarking sites and get you some backlinks. So all of these are Peter Garety products that over the years he has given me giveaway rights to. And Peter is also behind WP Image app. Basically, as it says here, it's a brand new WordPress plugin that fetches and adds high quality footprint-free images on your site with a push of the button. So you'll be able to fetch images from any URL, including AliExpress. With this feature, anyone can add product images on a WooCommerce store in seconds. So if you, and I'll show you the demo in a second. So if you do e-commerce, this is really valuable. Get high quality images from Bing search, add images from YouTube, embed YouTube video along with the image, automatically set the featured image so they get higher click-through rate from social media sites. So let me show you the demo which Peter made, and I'll wrap it up after it's over.
Hi, this is Peter Garety, and in this video I'm going to show you a powerful application that will get you unlimited footprint-free and highly engaging images for any page on your site with a push of the button. And the best part is that it doesn't really matter whether you are running a niche affiliate website, or maybe you have an e-commerce stores, or maybe you are serving a local business clients. It really doesn't matter in which niche you are in. With this application, you will be able to find hundreds and even thousands of highly valuable images with a push of the button. So what I want to do right now is just take you to my demo blog, where I'm going to show you exactly how this app is going to help you to get images and add those images on your site. So now we are on my demo blog where I have WP Image app installed, and as you can see, here is the Image app settings available. And after providing a few settings, you can start to use this app on the full speed. Now, in order to better demonstrate this to you, I'm actually going to take and walk you through sort of a regular process that every single content marketer goes through, right? So let's say you have an article written for your website, and again, it could be for your local business client, it could be for your niche affiliate website. It really doesn't matter in which sort of category this goes in, but you have a content and you need to get that on your site. So normally what you would do, you would go to posts or pages and you would click add a new post or page. The next, you would provide the title exactly as there is, and then you would just simply copy and paste the content that's available to you. So again, it could be a content that you wrote yourself, and it could be a content that somebody else wrote for you, right? So you could outsource it on Fiverr or somewhere else, right? So this is the content, this is how it looks like, and obviously you can just highlight things and do all kinds of stuff based on the editor here. Now, what we all know, and which is basically common sense today, is that simple content will not get you any conversions whatsoever. So you need to have some entertainment element there, and that's where images come in. And in order to start to use the power of WP Image app, all you have to do is just highlight the place where you want to add the images, and then you can click Add Media. And it immediately takes you to the Fetch Images screen where all the functionality of WP Image app is located. And as you can see here, we have a couple of options how to get images. So we can fetch images from any URL, so you can simply copy and paste the URL and it's going to get all the images from the page, and I will demonstrate that in a moment. You can search for any type of images. You can do image search on YouTube, or you can search on Pinterest. And as you know, Pinterest is massive when it comes to images, and most importantly, you can get super high quality images if you look on Pinterest. So what we are going to do right now is just, I'm going to do a quick search here, and let's say we are searching for design. So something related to design, and obviously here you have image size options. You can also select different rules here, different markets here, and also the type of images that you want. So let's just type in design and let's just click a search. And now what WP Image app did, it found a bunch of different images that are related to the search term design. Now, one of the features that I want to instantly demonstrate to you is that you can actually rename the file names of those images before adding them on your site. And this is a huge problem if you're taking image from somewhere else. As you can see, they have these file names which is really not optimized at all, right? So you want to change them, and you can change them in two ways. You can simply rename all of them, and now you have the title of your post as the title of the images. Or you can simply type in a keyword that you want to target. For example, web design app. Let's say this one, right? So now I renamed this exactly how I want it. So if I, for example, want to optimize this for SEO, I can just type in the keyword, different keyword for different image, and every single image will be optimized for a different keyword. In the next step, all I have to do really is just select the image which I want. So in this case, let me just select these 3 images. And also what I instantly can do, I can do 2 things. I can include the reference to the image. So I can set that, okay, when this image is going to be displayed on my page, there will be a link to the source from where this image is coming from. And this is really important for people that are sort of a little bit worried about the copyrights and all of that, those things. So you can now include the reference and give them a powerful backlink back to their site. So they are going to appreciate that a lot. Another thing you can do immediately here is you can double click, and as you can see, it goes red. And now what it's going to do, it's going to set this image as the featured image on WordPress. And what this does is, usually featured image is used in the open graph images on Facebook and things like that. So you want to select an image which is looking really good and really engaging, and you want to use that image as a featured image, right? So let's just add these 3 images right now. So let's just click add to the gallery, and now it's going to insert them into the post, as you can see. And here is the source as well, and the source is set to open in the new window. Now, also you can instantly see that there is a featured image. So as I mentioned before, this is for the most part, for the most WordPress configurations, this image is used as the main image when people are sharing your content on social media sites. Now from here, I just want to show you a few things. So number one, you can obviously arrange these images exactly how you want. Like for example, you can align text exactly how you want. You can do the editing, and you can provide additional options. For example, set a links or whatever you want. And as you can see, immediately we also have this design app as the alternative text, which is very important for SEO, right? You can also obviously drag and drop it around, so you can take this image, for example, and drop it here, or just drop it somewhere here. Let me just arrange this in a moment. So let's use it this way. So now we have the image here, and we have the image here as well. And you can literally just go back and add more images. Just do another search, and this time let's say we want to search YouTube and we want to search for design. So let's just search for design on YouTube. If we are not happy with what it returned right now, we can just click find more, and it's going to find something that ultimately we are going to be happy with. So let's say I want to again rename this. And again, I want to sort of add this particular image. Now, on top of the image, as you can see, immediately it offers 2 things. It immediately allows us to include the reference again, but also at the same time as we will add this image on our post, we can also add a YouTube video on the post. You don't need to go back and search for other YouTube videos or something like that. You can do the same thing right from this search. So now we click add to the gallery again, and as you can see, this is the image that we have here, and we can arrange it as we want, and we have the video as well, right? We have the video as well. And again, you can take this image and you can do whatever you want with it. You can drag and drop it, move it up and down here, and arrange the text and do all kinds of things there. Now, one thing I want to show you is that if you go now to the media library, so let's just do another search. If you go to the media library here, you will find that all of these images are right here available, right? And what I want to point out is, as you remember, we changed the file names, and as you can see, this is really reflecting right here inside. So every single file name was changed, right? These were changed based on our title, and this is what we changed manually, right? And as you can see, we only add images here in the library, those that we actually save on the website. So not all of those that we found here, those images that we only added to the gallery, only those are saved. All right, so let's just do a search on Pinterest. So design, let's just do this quick search here, and then I will show you something else, right? So now, as you can see, it found a bunch of different images on Pinterest as well, and you can rename them again. And here you can include the reference if you want to. Click add to the gallery, and boom, you have the image added right here, and then you can arrange it. And now if you go here, it provides the source directly to the pin, which we actually embedded on the site, right? So those are a couple of features. And by the way, when it comes to this reference, there are multiple ways what you can do here. So if you go and open the settings here on the top, I will show you what kind of things you need to provide. So you need to provide Bing API, which is free, YouTube API, which is free. And here you can set up whether you use domain as a source or you use title as a source. And you can also set always include the reference under images if you want to do that, right? So those are only a couple of settings that you need to provide. It takes minutes to do so, and WP Image app will be up and running on a full speed. Now, one of the things that I mentioned before is that on top of searching sort of on search here on Bing, on YouTube, and Pinterest, you can also fetch images from any URL. Now, this is crucial for those that are running, let's say, a WooCommerce store on their website. So if we go to the products and if we go to add product screen, and I will just simply demonstrate to you this feature. And you know that one of the most popular ways how to make money right now is to basically dropship products from AliExpress. So you buy something on AliExpress and you send it directly to the customer who bought it from your website. So let's just do a quick search here and let's search for, let's say, Minions. Right, very popular product. Kids are buying them like crazy. So let's look here. Here is the slider, right? Very popular product, a lot of orders here. So we can now take, let's say, this as a title. Let's just grab this as a title. Let's just add it here. And this is going to be our product, right? And obviously you would provide the code, the price, and everything else. And this demonstration video is really not about WooCommerce functionality, but what I want to point out is now you basically need to find and sort of add these images to the WordPress. And previously it was really hard, because what you would need to do, you would need to download them one by one, you would need to save them on your computer, you would need to then rename the files, and only after that you would be able to upload them to the WordPress. Now, because of WP Image app, it takes literally seconds. So now we double click here, and this is the source of the images. We copy the URL, and here watch these two fields. So we have the product image here, and we have the product gallery here, right? So we click add product gallery, and we copy and paste the URL here, and we click get images. And within a second, we found all the images that we want, and we can literally select all of them. And also, if we double click now, then this is going to be featured image, right? We also can just rename them all based on the title that we gave, or we can just type manually whatever we want. So Minions 1, for example, or something like that. Whatever you want, you can type in here as the image title. And now all we do is click add to the gallery and watch what happens. Within seconds, it's going to be added to the WooCommerce product gallery. Boom, look at this. We have the product image as the featured image immediately, and we have all other images here in the product gallery. So now, adding products from AliExpress or from anywhere else you are dropshipping products, it's super easy. It takes just copy and paste of the URL, and boom, you just go here, and as you will see, all of them will be added here in the gallery. So if we refresh here, as you can see, all of them are here, and titles are changed based on what we provided, and we have the title here as well. So this is how powerful WP Image app is. So please make sure you check all the information below. This is literally a time saver, on top of the fact that you can access hundreds and even thousands of images with just a one click. Just type in the keyword, click the search image button, and you get the images for your posts or for your product pages, wherever you need them. So that's it for this demonstration video. Make sure you check all the information below, grab WP Image app right away, and start to experience the power of it on your WordPress sites. This be your Garety. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Okay, so there you have it. So pretty cool, huh? So Peter makes really good products, and if you buy WP Image app through my link, just as a reminder, you'll get Outsourcing Buddy, P1 Media Creator, Traffic xRay plugin, and xRaySense theme, WP Pinboard Theme, and WP Traffic Magnet, which all of these will go hand in hand with WP Image app. So it's a pretty big bonus for a really good product. So that's about all I have. This is Eric Mack with Simple Marketing, and talk to you soon.
it.